Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to take a look at our new seat side shield for the 92 to 96 Ford trucks and Broncos. Plastic parts on the 90s vehicles undergo a lot of abuse from use, and the heat, cold, and UV rays of the sun tend to dry them out and make them brittle and easily broken. Dennis Carpenter has just the thing for your 92 to 96 Ford truck or Bronco with our new seat side cover. Molded in a gray plastic, it can be easily painted to match your interior. Made of high-quality modern plastic compounds, our side cover is equipped with holes for the power lumbar and seat adjustment options. However, if your truck or Bronco doesn't feature these options, we've included handy plugs to cover the holes seamlessly. By replacing your faded, broken, or brittle cover with a high-quality replacement from Dennis Carpenter, it will freshen up the look of your classic vehicle. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.